Tired of blurry drone footage and limited flight times? Want to capture stunning aerial shots without breaking the bank? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're pitting two of DJI's most popular drones against each other: the pocket-sized powerhouse, the Mini 4 Pro, and the cinematic masterpiece, the Mavic 3. We'll dive deep into image quality, flight performance, portability, and price to help you decide which drone is the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're a beginner looking for a user-friendly option or a seasoned pro chasing cinematic masterpieces, this comparison will give you the insights you need to make an informed decision. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get flying. Design and build quality. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is designed to be extremely portable and user-friendly. Weighing under 249 grams, it falls under the weight limit that requires registration in many countries, making it ideal for casual users or those who want to avoid the hassle of regulatory procedures. The compact foldable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or even a large pocket, catering to travelers and recreational users who need something lightweight. Despite its smaller size, the build quality is still impressive, with a robust plastic body that feels durable in hand. Its overall design makes it the perfect drone for hobbyists and beginners who value convenience and portability without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. DJI Mavic 3. In contrast, the DJI Mavic 3 is a much larger and heavier drone, weighing around 895 grams for the standard model and 900 plus grams for the Cine version. The Mavic 3's design is focused on durability and professional use, with a premium metal and plastic body that feels incredibly sturdy. It is also foldable, but its larger size means it requires a dedicated bag or case for transport, making it less convenient for those who want to travel light. The Mavic 3 is aimed at professionals and serious drone enthusiasts who need advanced flight capabilities and superior image quality, and its design reflects this with a more substantial, pro-grade construction. Camera quality. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 48MP stills and 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. For a drone in the compact category, this is an impressive camera setup. The Mini 4 Pro also includes features like HDR video, dual native ISO, and D-Log-M, which offer enhanced dynamic range and better performance in challenging lighting conditions. This makes the Mini 4 Pro suitable for users who want high-quality footage without needing a bulkier, more expensive drone. For most casual creators, travelers, and hobbyists, the Mini 4 Pro's camera offers plenty of versatility, especially with features like intelligent shooting modes, e.g., Master Shots, Focus Track, which make it easy to capture complex shots with minimal effort. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 takes things to another level in terms of camera performance. It features a dual-camera system co-engineered with Hasselblad, which includes a 4/3 CMOS sensor for its primary camera and a 12MP telephoto lens with a 28x hybrid zoom. The Mavic 3's primary camera is capable of shooting 20MP stills and 5.1K video at up to 50 frames per second, offering superior image quality, especially in low-light environments. The larger sensor provides much better detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy, making it a perfect tool for professional photographers and filmmakers. The Mavic 3 Cine version also supports Apple ProRes 422 HQ recording and has a built-in 1TB SSD, ideal for high-end production workflows. The Mavic 3's advanced imaging capabilities clearly set it apart from the Mini 4 Pro, making it the go-to drone for professional content creators. Flight performance and range. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for a drone of its size. Its compact form factor doesn't compromise its flight performance much, as it still features tridirectional obstacle sensing, front, back, and downward sensors, and advanced pilot assistance system, APS 5.0, which helps it navigate complex environments with ease. The Mini 4 Pro also comes with O4 transmission technology, offering a range of up to 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles, in ideal conditions, with a stable 1080p live video feed. While it's not designed for harsh weather conditions, the Mini 4 Pro handles wind fairly well for its weight class, making it a solid choice for casual users who need reliable performance for everyday flights. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 excels in flight performance, offering an industry-leading 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge, making it ideal for longer shoots without the need for frequent battery swaps. It features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, including advanced APAS 5.0, giving it superior collision avoidance capabilities compared to the Mini 4 Pro. This feature, along with Active Track 5.0, ensures that the Mavic 3 can follow subjects more intelligently and navigate complex environments with ease. The Mavic 3 also uses O3 Plus transmission technology, which extends its range up to 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, with an ultra-low latency, high-quality 1080p video feed. The Mavic 3's advanced flight capabilities and longer range make it the better choice for professionals who need more control and endurance in their aerial operations. Intelligent features and flight modes. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Despite being a more compact and budget-friendly option, the Mini 4 Pro doesn't skimp on intelligent flight modes. It includes features such as Focus Track, Active Track, Point of Interest, and Spotlight, Master Shots, Quick Shots, and Hyperlapse, which make it easier to capture cinematic footage without extensive piloting experience. The Quick Shots feature allows users to perform complex maneuvers like drone, rocket, circle, and boomerang with a single tap. Additionally, waypoint flights enable users to plan preset flight routes for more sophisticated shots. For beginners and casual users, the Mini 4 Pro's intelligent features are more than sufficient for capturing stunning content. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 brings even more advanced intelligent features, making it a powerhouse for professionals. It includes advanced return to home, RTH, hyperlapse, master shots, and the latest version of Active Track 5.0, which provides even more precise subject tracking, with the ability to predict the subject's movement and follow them smoothly even in challenging environments. Its Waypoints 3.0 allows users to plan detailed flight paths with multiple waypoints and pre-programmed camera angles, ideal for professional cinematography. The Mavic 3 Cine version also introduces Focus Track Pro, which provides advanced object tracking for more complex shots. These features make the Mavic 3 much more versatile in professional settings, offering greater creative control and precision for high-level productions. Price and value. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is positioned as a more affordable option, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Starting at around $759 for the standard version, without accessories, it offers excellent value for those looking for a compact, feature-rich drone that doesn't break the bank. For users who don't require top-tier professional features but still want excellent camera quality and intelligent flight modes, the Mini 4 Pro is a highly attractive option. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 is significantly more expensive, with the base model starting at $2,049 and the Cine version costing upward of $4,999. This places it firmly in the professional market, targeting content creators, filmmakers, and commercial drone operators who need the highest level of performance. The price is justified by its Hasselblad camera system. Conclusion: DJI Mini 4 Pro versus DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an ideal choice for hobbyists, travelers, and casual users who prioritize portability, ease of use, and affordability. Its compact design, solid camera performance, and intelligent flight modes make it a great option for those looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly drone without sacrificing much in terms of features. Its lower price point and lack of registration requirements in many countries due to its sub-250g weight make it perfect for everyday drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end, professional-grade drone, designed for serious filmmakers, photographers, and commercial users who demand top-notch camera quality, longer flight times, and advanced intelligent features. Its superior Hasselblad camera system, extended range, and industry-leading flight capabilities come at a premium price, but it delivers the best-in-class for professional aerial photography and videography. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3. Both drones offer exceptional performance in their own right, but the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Remember to consider factors like image quality, flight range, portability, and your desired level of cinematic capabilities. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more drone reviews, tutorials, and exciting aerial adventures. Thanks for watching and happy flying!